Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G200. First of all, you need to access Playstore on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and choose Open. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Receive on Motorola and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on Motorola, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. Then wait. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!